Hi, welcome to the channel. This is the post from my channel that I want to promote and send to multiple groups and channels simultaneously. I will need to forward it to saved messages before sending it to the groups and channels. I have already created a folder with the groups I want to send the advertisement to. The next step is simple. Just go back to the Spam Sniper bot and start it. You will see the corresponding folder list that you created. If you don't see it, click on Spam by Folders. Select the folder you want to send to and wait. As you can see, it has been sent sequentially to the groups. It's quite simple, isn't it?